Well, hi everybody. It's Chris from Over the Top Quilting Studio. I know that some of you just got your machine and you're not quite sure how to keep your hook assembly clean and lint free. So I'm going to show you some of the things that you need to do in order to keep your machine running smoothly and without any issues. The three things that you're going to need are WD-40, which is a cleaning agent. You're going to need canned air, which is just going to help blow out some of the lint and all that. And then you're going to need your oil, and APQS gave you a bottle of the oil with a zoom spout, so the zoom spout will allow you to get into the small areas. I like to use a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, so that I can wipe it out. It is nice and soft. It's not going to leave any burrs or anything on your machine. So those are the things you want to gather before you do anything. If you by chance have a stubby Phillips head screwdriver, that would be awesome, because we're going to take the top portion of the throat plate off, and then we'll get started.